Introducing 13 purebred horse breeds. Mentioning the place of origin and the reason for their popularity. 1. Arabian. Originating from the Arabian Peninsula. Arabian horses are known for their beauty, endurance, and intelligence. 2. Thoroughbred. Originally bred in England, thoroughbreds are popular for their speed and agility, making them ideal for horse racing. 3. Andalusian. Hailing from Spain, Andalusian horses are prized for their elegance, versatility, and gentle nature. 4. Frisian. From the Netherlands, Frisian horses are famous for their striking black coat, flowing mane, and strong build. 5. Appaloosa. Developed by the Nez Perce tribe in North America, Appaloosa horses are recognized for their unique spotted coat patterns and athleticism. 6. American Quarter Horse. Native to the United States, quarter horses are renowned for their speed, agility, and versatility in ranch work and western riding. 7. Lipizzan. The Lipizzan breed originated in Austria and is celebrated for their grace, intelligence, and ability in classical dressage. 8. Percheron. From France, Percheron horses are valued for their strength, versatility, and gentle temperament, making them popular in agriculture and pulling carriages. 9. Clydesdale. Originally from Scotland, Clydesdales are known for their massive size, striking appearance, and gentle disposition, making them popular for show and work. 10. Icelandic. Hailing from Iceland, Icelandic horses are prized for their unique gaits, resilience, and calm temperament. 11. Morgan. Developed in the United States, Morgan horses are revered for their versatility, intelligence, and friendly demeanor. 12. Akal Teke. Originating from Turkmenistan, Akal teaks are prized for their sleek, metallic coat, endurance, and agility. 13. Shetland Pony. From Scotland's Shetland Islands, Shetland ponies are popular for their small size, hardiness, and gentle nature, making them ideal for children.